Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to play YouTube videos in the background on your Apple iPhone. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below if you guys have any questions, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It helps me, it supports the channel. I do a lot of technology how-tos, tech guides, tech tutorials, anything to help you guys out. So if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So today's video is how to play YouTube videos in the background on your iPhone. You may ask, why would you want to do this? Two reasons. One, you may want to jump into another application and have YouTube playing. Or the second one is, maybe you want to put your phone to sleep and just, let a music video play or song play or maybe a podcast, and you just don't want to watch, you just don't want to watch the video, you just want to listen. So I'm here to show you how to do that. So get your iPhone. I'll show you step by step how to do that. First thing you want to do is jump into the Safari web browser for me. And then from here, go to youtube.com. Okay, so once you're on youtube.com, just search for anything you want with the magnifying glass. I'm going to search for royalty-free music. Right there. Okay. So search for anything you want, if it's a podcast, if it's, a song, anything you want to play in the background. So I'm just gonna scroll and just find something I want. Okay. Turn up the sound here. Okay, so now that I have my song, it's playing, but I want to play it in the background. I don't want to stay in YouTube. So next step you want to do is click on the two A's at the top left hand corner. Then from here, hit Request Desktop Website. Okay. Once that's done, just hit the play button. So once that's playing, once you hit the play button, I want you to swipe up to exit YouTube or hit the home button, whatever iPhone you have. You're out of YouTube. The song stopped playing or the video stopped playing. Open up your control center for me. So for my phone, I'm going to swipe down on the top right hand corner. Yours might be swiping up from the bottom. So open up that control, and right here where my mouse is, just hit play. Sorry about that. It should be playing. I unplugged my mic just to show you guys it's working. So now you can jump into, let me plug this back in. So now that the song is playing, you can jump into any app you want and basically just do multitask, I guess. Listen to music, watch videos, and you can even put your phone to sleep if you wanted to just listen to things. So hopefully this video helped, guys. Give it a like. If it did, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video.